10 lines on mango fruit. Number 1. Mango is called the king of fruits. Number 2. It is a very tasty fruit. Number 3. It is the national fruit of India. Number 4. Mango trees are very heavy. Number 5. The color of mango is green, yellow and light red. Number 6. Mango is a seasonal fruit. Number 7. It comes to the markets in the summer season. Number 8. Mango is a good source of vitamins and minerals. Number 9. Mango is used to make pickles and jam. Number 10. Everyone likes to eat mango. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.